Here I've got DOOGEE Mix, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then scroll down, find and select Backup and Reset, and now click on Backup My Data. Here, if it's active, just leave it this way, but if it will be deactivated, you will have to click on this switcher to activate Google Backup. Then you have to go back, and now it's time to add Google account, so let me click on Backup Account. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi. As you can see, I have some problems with that, so let me make sure that I'm connected to the proper Wi-Fi. Here it is. Now it's connected, so let me refresh it one more time. Let's open Backup Account. And now it's time to log in with your Google account. You can use either email address or phone number. I will use my email address. HardReset.Info1@gmail.com, that's proper one, and then click on next. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And now click on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Simply come along with them, and if you agree with all of the conditions, simply click on I agree. And here you've got Backup to Google Drive feature. Click on Accept to finish the whole process. And that would be all. From now on, your data is safe, is protected by Google, by its backup. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.